Ensuring financial security for Jamaican families, a vision for economic transformation. Jamaica has long sought reparative funds from its former colonial rulers, yet it is evident that these governments are unlikely to release any substantial financial resources. The wealth generated during the transatlantic slave trade predominantly resides with private companies, affluent families, and individuals in Europe and the United States, not with Western governments. For example, the United Kingdom finalized its financial commitments under the 1837 Slave Compensation Act in 2015, suggesting that it considers its historical obligations fulfilled by the abolition of slavery and the conferral of freedom. Given this context, Jamaica must explore innovative strategies to boost its economy. One promising approach is to attract an investment of UK £30 billion through the development of large-scale tourism projects, including the construction of 120 mega all-inclusive hotels. Despite ongoing debates about the tourism sector, Jamaica's annual visitor numbers are significantly lower than those of its Caribbean neighbors. When adjusted for population size, the country would need to welcome an additional 10 million visitors to match regional per capita tourism figures. Moreover, Jamaica's per capita income is roughly one-third that of most other Caribbean nations, with the notable exception of Haiti, underscoring the urgency of revitalizing its tourism industry. A robust tourism sector would not only stimulate economic growth but also create employment opportunities for citizens, particularly those lacking permanent, full-time positions. With increased employment, a government-led housing initiative could offer affordable homes priced between 10 million and 15 million Jamaican dollars. Under such a program, a property purchased at 15 million Jamaican dollars in 2025 could potentially appreciate to 50 million by 2035, providing families with a substantial long-term asset. Historically, Jamaica has not implemented a comprehensive land distribution system since the abolition of slavery in 1833, leaving many citizens disenfranchised. This persistent inequality has contributed to significant social challenges, including elevated crime rates. Drawing inspiration from China's expansive housing programs over the past 2 decades, Jamaica could address its acute housing shortage, particularly in the low-income sector, by partnering with Chinese companies to construct 30,000 affordable housing units annually over the next 10 years. This initiative would yield 300,000 new homes by 2035, ensuring that full-time minimum wage workers can access home ownership. Under this proposal, the Jamaican National Housing Trust would purchase these homes at a predetermined cost and subsequently offer them to citizens at affordable prices. While the majority of these units would serve low-income workers, a portion would also be allocated for mid-income key workers and public sector employees, including nurses, teachers, and police officers. With over 30 years of pastoral experience, I share this vision not only as an economic proposition but also as a reflection of a deeper commitment to social and spiritual well-being. While I typically avoid overt spiritual discourse in economic discussions, my beliefs inform my understanding that strong family structures and community cohesion are vital to national prosperity. The separation of families, whether through seasonal work abroad or domestic migration, has far-reaching consequences, including an increase in social fragmentation and youth disenfranchisement, which can contribute to crime and violence. By embracing innovative economic strategies and targeted housing initiatives, Jamaica can create an environment where every family has the opportunity to build wealth through home ownership, a home that could potentially be valued at 50 million Jamaican dollars in the coming decade. This comprehensive approach to economic and social reform is essential for fostering long-term stability and prosperity across the nation. Thank you for watching another episode of my series titled $30 Billion Repatriation Money Available for Jamaica to Claim. Funding to build 30,000 affordable housing units each year, employing 300,000 Jamaicans in permanent full-time jobs, and earning an extra $10 billion each year for the country's GDP. Some key features of the $30 billion repatriation funding program are 120 hotels to be built across Jamaica, especially near areas with high unemployment rates, earning an extra $10 billion each year for Jamaica, providing 300,000 permanent full-time jobs for low-skilled citizens in rural parishes across Jamaica. 300,000 affordable housing units to be built over the next 10 years, from 2025 to 2034, with 30,000 to be built each year. Franchises for the 120 large all-inclusive hotels will be given to foreign direct investment over the next 1 to 5 years, from 2025 to 2029, each hotel costing approximately $250 million to build, totaling $30 billion, all paid for by the FDI's repatriation money coming back to Jamaica. Minimum wage to be increased by 15% each year, reaching $200 per week in the next 5 years. Jamaica agriculture needs to start growing by 20% every year for the next 10 years and beyond. This is to create stability in the country as the tourism industry starts growing by 20% every year for the next 10 years. This is part 17 of my current series. Look out for part 18. Thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button. Share this video in your WhatsApp groups and send it to all your friends, as we try to demonstrate how the tourism industry can transform lives in Jamaica. Remember to let us know what you think about this video by leaving your comments below. Please keep your comments respectful. God bless you, God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace and love.